Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial regarding processing orders. So once you receive an order in your Shopify store, that order will automatically be transferred over to our app under My Orders. So if you log into our app and go to My Orders, you will see your orders transferred here. So once you have an order here, there's two columns. It's going to be not paid and completed. The not paid basically means that this is a new order. You still basically need to pay us for the merchandise so we can process it and ship it to your customer. Um, so once you have an order, it's a very simple process. You can review everything here before you pay for the item. So this order number is the order number that's from your Shopify store. When the order was placed, your customer's information is here. Basically, here it tells you that the order is paid uh, by your customer to you. This is what that column is. But we always recommend you double check that in your account. Make sure you've actually been paid for the item. And then here it says not paid, but this is meaning that you haven't yet paid us for the merchandise, so we can ship it to your customer. Here you have the total order amount. This is what you have been paid for the order, and then this is what your cost of the item is, what you have to pay us for the item. You can also review the order here. You can just click View Order. A pop-up will open showing your customer's information, and then again what they've ordered, the product cost, and what they've actually paid you for the item. Um, so once you've reviewed everything and the last thing you need to do is just pay for the item. You just need to click on Pay here. A window will pop up. So right now we only accept credit card payments uh, for uh, for for placing orders. So here is a summary of the order with your order number, the subtotal, which is the product cost, and then the shipping cost. So we charge shipping based on the amount of items that are going to be in your order. Under the help section in our app, there's a chart that has a breakdown of what we charge you for shipping. You can reference that to see the breakdown of the shipping charges. Here, for those customers who are our annual app members, they get a 20% discount code. That this is where you can apply that discount code. This section is for those customers only. Uh, you can't use any other coupon code in this section. So this is for those customers who have the annual membership plan. They just type in the code here, and this will adjust your total discount amount, and it'll show the total amount that's due here. So in this section is basically the information that this is your information that you need to put in. So your email address, your first and last name, any order notes that you may have, whether it's custom packaging, reference number, or any kind of information that you need to send to us, you can put it here. Your credit card information, billing information, and that's it. And then once you're done, you just click on Pay. So once you click on Pay, it'll redirect you back to the app under the My Orders section. Once the order is paid, your order now, instead of under not paid, will go down to will switch over to the completed section, which basically means the order has been paid. And if you allow a few minutes in this section where it says My Online Fashion Store Order ID, this is our order reference number. This will generate automatically within a few minutes. You may need to refresh your browser in order for that to happen. But anytime you need to reach out to us to check on the order status or anything like that, this is the order number that you can reference. So again, once the order is reviewed, you pay for the item, and then it's going to go under completed here. The status will be here. It'll say processing. Once the order is shipped, it'll say shipped. And again, once the order is shipped, will apply a tracking number to that order, and that will update automatically in your Shopify store. So here's an order that's, for example, that I shipped already. If you check in your Shopify store, it'll automatically generate the tracking number and send an email to your customer that the order is being has been shipped. You can also process multiple orders at the same time. So if you have an order let's say you have multiple orders at the same time, you can go to under not paid, and let's say you have 2 orders or 3 orders that you need to process at the same time. You don't need to individually pay for these items. You can just select the orders here, and then just click on pay, and then it'll have the summary of the 2 orders, the shipping cost, which is for each individual order, the total amount that's due, and then the same exact process, just email first name, fill out the billing information, and pay for the order. So that's a very good convenience where you don't have to place orders individually. If you have 5 or 10 or 20 orders, you can just place all of them at once and pay for them at once. So that's pretty much the explanation of the order processing. If you have any questions regarding this process, please reach out to us. We have support available via email, live chat, and phone as well. Thank you very much.